Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is an ABUS Safety First 40mm all brass padlock. Now, you might be thinking, is that familiar on your channel? Well, yeah, if you've been watching for me for over 5 years, you may have remembered there was a similar ABUS Inox Nautic T84MB. Similar, but not quite, because it had a completely cut shackle. It had been cut off something, and it was slightly different. I think I think it's maybe a cosmetic variant, but I'm not entirely sure. This one looks like it's being marketed as a lotto lock, even though it says, I think, weather in German on the side. I'm not entirely sure. So it's likely that the T84MB just comes in a number of different little skins and can be used as an all-purpose all-weather lock and a lockout lock and all sorts of things. But despite me having picked this over 5 years ago, picking a brand new one, I think would be really good fun. Just see if there's any difference. Maybe you can go back and watch my very cringy video 18, where I picked this. It's really awful to watch. Please don't go watch it. But let's have a go. I've got 1.2mm tension tool here. Sparrow short hook. It's 4 pins. So let's have a go. That's pin 4 at the back. Pin 2. Pin 1 now. And see who's left. I think it's pin 3. Good, and I think we dropped pin 1 now, and it should be open. There we go. Not too bad. What I would say about this lock is it's definitely one of my favourite recommendations for beginners to learn spools. It's got a really nice Yale style keyway. It's not too open. It's paracentric. But it's not too hard to navigate. It's only got 4 pins, but the spools are superb. You really feel them. You feel that counter rotation. Absolutely beautiful, and it looks nice as well, I think. Yeah, so definitely a recommendation. Can't think of many other 40mm padlocks which you get quite easily which have that kind of level of feedback. Maybe a couple of ISEOs and Veros and things like that, but this is a good one, and it's only about £8 or somewhere around 11 US. So not bad. Good recommendation for a beginner's spool trainer. Let's see if I can give it a bit of a rake. This might not go so well, so bear with me. Going to be using a multi-pick boner. There we go. And just going to get in there and give it a little rake if I can. And it feels like we're almost there. Can I hybrid pick with it? Yeah, I can. There you go. So we did a bit of a rake, and then we used, I think, the third peak to just bump up a pin. Did that take longer raking than single pin picking? I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to go back and watch that. Anyway, really good to revisit a lock, especially one which wasn't cut and is new, and has a bit of a different skin on it. Still a great lock. Really love this one. Do you have one of these? What do you reckon to them? I reckon they're a brilliant little starters padlock to pick. Anyway, thanks all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.